Alright, we back. This storm is getting pretty big, and there is some hail in the storm. So, that'll be pretty interesting. We have to get to the place, like, as soon as possible. Welcome to the stream. Gotta get some people in here before I explain what's happening. But right now, there's a big storm coming. Hail. Yo, what's up? So we're gonna go to a storm watching place. Maybe there'll be no people here. The storm is pretty big. There is some, like, isolated hail. Yeah, it already hit us. It's bad. Is this the one in Colorado Springs you're talking about? We're almost to the place. We're gonna ride this storm out under a thing. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna guess you're probably somewhere in, like, Illinois, where all the tornadoes are. Yeah, I thought that. I think it's raining. We gotta be quiet. That's not rain. Oh, that's a raindrop. Alright, welcome to the stream. This storm is about to get pretty nasty. There is some, like, small isolated hail in this storm, and we're gonna go hide under this red roof from the storm. And if it is hail, it'll get really bad. It's got hail. I checked the radar. Yep, I assume so. Doesn't seem like there's any lightning. I've heard like 2 thunders so far. Also, thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Welcome to the stream. This storm will get really bad. Not really bad. Pretty bad. Oh, there's people here. Hello. Y'all, it's about to storm pretty badly. We might have to hide under a different one. We can wait here for a bit. There's people here. Yep, this is Colorado. Yeah, welcome to stream. 300 viewers, you guys. This is pretty crazy. This is really dark. This is a really dark storm. Also, if you guys like storm content, follow up. Ooh, these are big raindrops. These are big raindrops. There's gonna be hail probably in here. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain a lot. Y'all, thank you for the follows. Thank you for the follows, you guys. Looks like the people left, so we're gonna head to the place. 0.75 inches. Oh gosh, this is in Colorado. Yeah, that's pretty big hail. Okay, we're hiding under there, so we're gonna ride this storm out. Y'all, thank you for the viewers, you guys. 380 of you guys. Ah, that one hit my ear. Oh my gosh, that hit my ear. Y'all, if y'all like storm content, follow up. Also, this is gonna get pretty loud, and I just saw lightning. This probably will get really loud. All right, we're safe. This is not Highlands Ranch. We're pretty close to Highlands Ranch, though. Y'all, thank you for the... This is a new record, you guys. 460 people. This storm is coming under us. I don't know if there's hail. I could test. Put my sleeve out and see if there's hail. Yeah, I think there's hail. Small hail. Yep. We got some hail. If you guys can see that. I'll stand out here for a sec. Yep. Got some hail. That's pretty big. It's gonna get really loud. It's bad in Dallas. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. So I'm stuck. I cannot leave. Also, follow up, you guys. Can you guys hear me okay? If y'all are watching, can you guys hear me okay? Because this is pretty loud. No, I'm stuck. I cannot get home from here. Although I decided to be here. Okay. It's calming down a little bit. Just gonna hide out here. Look at those lights, you guys. Look at that. They decided it's gonna be really bad tonight. I'm also not in Illinois or any of the other places that has a moderate risk for today. Oh gosh. You can see it's collecting all on the ground here. Oh my gosh. Yep, it's about to hit us. This is like not even close to the worst part. I'm gonna put my scooter more under here. This is in Colorado. Columbus, Ohio has risk for tornadoes. I did see that. There is a pretty big risk for Illinois and stuff, but I'm not in the risk area. I'm in a general thunderstorm risk. Alright, bigger hail. Bigger grapple hail. I could hear it on the ground. Bro's been in 3 tornadoes. Oh my gosh. It's not that bad. I see a couple of hailstones, or something similar to hailstones. It's pretty light now. I don't hear much of hail, I just hear tons of rain. It's also becoming night, which is also a little scary. I think that's you see that little line right there? I think that's where all the main rain is. Like, this is like kind of the start of it, and it'll be raining for a little bit. And if it gets too bad, I could always just run home in this. I know, nighttime thunderstorms are a little creepy. Especially if I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm pretty far away from my house, so... This is pretty good. It's not too bad. The sidewalks are all wet, fully covered in rain. Okay. It's pretty light now. I think it's only in the green. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna be under here for probably a little bit. I don't see any lightning. I've heard only like a couple thunders in this. Yep, that main part, that over there is more rain. Like, this is kind of just the light rain before kind of the big storm. It's also really dark now. It's also about to be nighttime. Oh. The rain has almost stopped. When the sky turns red, purple, the rain and hail and the lightning, and then clouds. Here we got the AI summary watching massive storm with hail and rain. This is not massive. There's a little bit of hail though. Yeah, this storm was relatively more orange before. Got 1,800 views. Oh, wow. The storm you watched last night was terrifying. I bet there were some pretty big storms yesterday. Anyways, you guys, I got some McDonald's cookies. They just kind of gave me free cookies for doing a survey. So I'm gonna low-key eat a cookie. Melted chocolate a little bit. It's pretty fire. Mmm. Yeah, good. Oh, that's peak. I also really like Subway. I like getting like a tuna sandwich. Yep, there's still more rain coming. That was like the first wave of rain. I think I heard some thunder. It's about to rain again. Ugh. My cookie got all wet. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Oh, here we go. It's getting more rainy. This is in Colorado. Oh, lightning. Here we go. Here we go. It's starting up again. It's starting to get really rainy out here. Oh boy. Here we go. Holy. This is getting loud. Dude, I can't even see over there that much. Yep, there's you could see the rain line kind of right here. Lots of rain. Dude, look at over there. There is tons of rain over there. Oh gosh, it's forming over there now. Hello, Zach Smith. This is in Colorado. It's getting really rainy over there. I can't even see. There's tons of houses that way, and you can't even see the houses. It's about to get crazy. Oh my gosh. It's about to be dark too, which is kind of scary. It's about to get insane. Oh, that's peak. Oh, there's so much rain. It's not as bad. It's calming down a little bit. Okay, it's calming down. I think we're getting waves of rain. Like, there's a bunch of rain right here. Alright, it's starting back up again. Welcome to the stream. If y'all like Storm's content like this, follow. This is a pretty cool... What shoes do I have on? Got Crocs. Peak red Crocs. I love these red Crocs. Have I ever been in a tornado? I have never been in a tornado. Here we go. This is it. This is the rain. It's getting pretty loud. Wow. I'm gonna go over here. It's calming down already. Look at how rainy it is over there. Yeah, there's a bunch of waves. There was like small hail earlier, but now it's just like tons of light rain. It's starting to seep into our fortress we got here. Storm will probably be over in the next like 20 minutes, I want to say. So after it's done, I can get home pretty easily. Hopefully. I'll have to take a long way back because the way I got here was all dirt. Oh, it is so rainy. It's super foggy. You can barely see the trees over there. If you guys are wondering what the rating of the storm is, you can watch one of my pinned videos. It's on the rating system. I'd probably rate this like 30, 32. Right now it's probably like a 10. No, not 10. Like 20. Like now it's not that bad anymore. Oh, voice crack. Damn. Okay. See? Now it's not that bad. Looks really rainy over there still. I think we're about to get hit again because it looks like there's a wave of rain that way. Thank you for the follow. We got one gift. Who gifted? Someone gifted apparently, and I just didn't realize. Okay. Kind of want another McDonald's cookie, but like, kind of don't want one at the same time. Okay. Alright, I think it's picking back up a little bit. See, now it's not that rainy over there. I think it's picking back up a little bit. Been getting rain all week. Lucky I think this is the second or third day we've gotten rain. Thank you, Zach Smith. Why do people hate you on TikTok, man? It's also another wave, and then it looks like it's pretty clear. I'm gonna go look over here again. I think I just saw lightning, if I'm not... Yeah. This is not terrible. Okay. Looks like the storm is kind of calming down a little bit. So thank you for the follows. 10 followers. That's pretty good. Another follow. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Zach Smith, for following. It's also getting dark, so you'll be able to see less, sadly. So we got 80 viewers in the stream. Yeah. I don't have a car now. If I had a car, I would be storm chasing right now. We'll get some more people. I think there's some little after clouds right there. Some rain over there. Yeah, I think this is about it. It was a pretty nice storm. It wasn't much of a storm though. It was more like a bunch of rain. I don't have any Jordan shoes. Just got my Crocs. Thank you for the AI summary. Got less people in here, like 48. Nice view. I do like this. There's a way better view that I have. It's up there, but I couldn't reach it in time because I was coming from that way. Also gonna grab my cookie back. Kind of want the last one so I could throw it away. Is there a garbage can? There's a garbage can. I'm gonna cop another cookie. Cheers, you guys. Thank you for the likes. Yep, we got like 18 people. Kind of means the storm died off. Good thing my phone didn't get wet. This cookie is very good. Thinking of when should I leave. Looks like it's just a bunch of clouds over there. Some light rain over there. And that's where the storm's going. Well, the rain's picking back up a little bit. I'm gonna throw our cookie away. It's also getting pretty dark, so the quality will be bad. I have to run out in the rain. Oh, it's not that bad. I could deal with that. Let's get to 1,000 likes, you guys. Super close to 1,000 likes. Also, if you guys like following, hit that follow button if you like storms, because I make a lot of storm videos, storm edits, stuff like that. This is my storm account. Yo, thank you. Got 1,000 likes. It's awesome. Let's go. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Okay. 40 people. Thank you, Zach Smith. Yep, I think the storm is really calming down now, but there's more people joining. So now is going to be the crazy part. I'm going to drive home in this. So yeah, it's going to be a little dark. I might also crash. So yeah, I'm not gonna crash a car. I hope I don't crash though. All right, we're off. My pants are gonna get all wet too. Am I still with Eli? No, he went in. We also just had like 400 people in the stream earlier. Everyone left because the storm died. Did it get pretty rainy where you were? Where is this? This is in Colorado. Okay, we're gonna just go straight. I don't see any lightning, so I think we're good. Although I don't really care what lightning is. Why did Eli go in? Eli went in because I don't know. I was kind of live streaming. I'm not mad. I was just live streaming. That's why I didn't respond to Brayden. Is Eli pissed at you? Maybe a little bit. I don't know. I don't think he's that mad. Which way do I go? I think I go one more. No, I'm gonna turn here. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. It's pretty dark over there. I think there was a thunderstorm over there before, and that thunderstorm died off. Good thing is I don't see any lightning. I'm also going very slow because I do not want to crash. Oh my gosh, everyone left, bro. There's 28 people. There's like 90 people like just a minute ago. Okay. Yeah. It's dark. It also looks pretty nice over there. Yeah. Storm's pretty much over. I think there's a new storm forming over there because it looks kind of dark. I also do not have brakes. We're gonna go that way. Whoa, turn. Okay. Crazy. It's pretty crazy. Wonder what's happening over there. There's a lot of lights over there. Oh, that's nice. I have no brakes. I do like the rain in Colorado, although this year we're not getting any rain. We back. Yeah, the storm just hit us. Oh, that was lightning. I think the lightning is over there, though. Yeah, doing pretty good. I can't stop. We're gonna go this way. This is all downhill. I'm taking like the only way back that doesn't have dirt, which is way out of the way. I am clicking my brake as hard as I can. I cannot stop. Oh my gosh, this is slippery. Oh boy. Also, I'm probably going to post this as a VOD on YouTube, so if you guys want to watch the after stream or the full stream, then you guys can. Oh gosh. It is so slippery. There's mud everywhere. I can't even go. Okay. Yep, we're gonna turn right down there, and then we're gonna get on the highway. I'm not almost home. I actually had to go further away from home because I don't want to take dirt and get all muddy. There's the highway. We're gonna get on there. Thank you for the follow. Oh, that's pretty dark. It's still barely light out, but it's still pretty dark over there. Where do those sewers even go? What the heck? Oh. Wait, what the heck? Will I be live tomorrow? There's probably like a 25% chance. Depends how big the storm is. I gotta speed up. Alright, we're getting on. Oh gosh. I do not want to slide out, which probably will happen. Ugh. I might slide out. I hope I don't slide out. Oh, I'm going so fast. Try to keep the stream too faced on the road. It's a little shaky. We're going really fast. Oh crap. I cannot stop, bro. Hold on, I'll read comments in a sec. If I could stop. I don't got any sneakers, I just have Crocs. Which is perfect for weather like this. Yep, it's gonna be shaky for a sec. I can't stop or do much of anything right now. I'm gonna try to turn. Oh. Be careful. Yeah, that was very slippery. Alright, it's very dark. Oh yeah, you guys can't even see anything anymore. I wish I could turn my lights on. We're also gonna come up to street lights here soon. Ooh. Well, that would have been very entertaining if I crashed. Would have crashed in front of like 20 people, by the way. Oh. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, you can't even see anything in the stream anymore because of how dark it is. Oh, you can probably still hear quite good, actually. Thunder. That makes sense, though, because, yeah. I guess it's going to rain again at like 10 p.m., which is also kind of exciting because we need storms and rain. Because we have like tons of droughts. So you guys probably won't be able to see anything from now on. So you'll probably just hear my voice. Unless there's like lightning or something. Yep. 20 people in the stream. Oh, you guys can see a little bit. I also cannot slow down because I have like so it's a little sketchy driving. I wish I had my electric scooter, but I don't have that because it's broken. It's broken, you guys. We might end the stream kind of soon. That was a pretty successful stream. Got like almost 500 viewers again. How many followers did I get? I got like a couple, 13 new followers from that. It's pretty good. Still a lot of people in the stream. You cannot see anything anymore. It's pitch black. I can see perfectly fine because like, I'm just kind of like that, you know. Alright. I think I'm going to, turn the stream off. Thank you for joining in. See you guys in the next stream. Bye, everybody.